This video is sponsored by DA Lubricant Company. Give your fleet bumper-to-bumper protection. Visit dalube.com to learn more.
Today we're talking about airlines, and boy have I got a story for you. You see, my name is Frank William Abagnale, and from 1964 to 1967, I successfully impersonated an airline pilot for Pan Am Airways. I flew over 2 million miles.
No, wait, David. I mean, Frank, or whatever your name is. We're talking about airlines, like on your truck. Nothing to do with airplanes.
You mean the curly red and blue cables for, like, brakes and stuff?
Yeah, those kind of airlines.
Oh, I had this whole thing prepared about writing bad checks, 2 mice, a bucket of cream. Okay, another day then. Not a problem. Roll the intro while I figure this out. Okay, so we're talking about airlines, I guess, and there's more to getting these right than you might expect. In preparation for the winter months ahead, airlines should be inspected to avoid damage and failure on the road. But component replacement is not only for the winter months. It can apply all year round, so keep this little guide handy. While not always necessary, it's just good practice to replace airlines and airline accessories annually to ensure proper working order. The thing is, there are a number of issues that, if found during routine PMs or during pre-trip inspections, means airlines should be replaced much sooner to avoid possible airline failures that lead to downtime or CSA violations. These issues can include chafing or damaged jacketing, rusted springs or fittings, nylon cables that are stretched out and no longer recoil, and kinked nylon cables. When selecting airlines for a tractor-trailer, know that not all airlines are created equal. For example, some airlines come equipped with handle grips at the trailer end to provide protection from kinking. Some have swivel fittings on the tractor end to avoid corkscrewing during installation. Some have coiled assemblies that extend to their maximum expected service length and return to their retracted position without sag. These are all good things. You want your airlines to come this way. One quality you should look for in your airlines if you're operating in harsh environments is whether your cables are rated for extreme temperatures, meaning lower than the typical standard of -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, it is required by law for airline assemblies to display the appropriate markings which signify compliance with DOT regulations. The law also requires airlines to have spring guards to protect the hose or tubing from a sharp bend at or near the fitting. If your airlines don't look this way, time for a replacement. When it comes to installing a new set of airlines, make sure you always remove the old fitting from the tractor protection valve and install a new fitting attached to the new airlines. And if cables or handles are color-coded, be sure to couple them with their correlating connections, red to red and blue to blue. That's a lot to consider for components that typically aren't top of mind. Airline inspections might seem like too much work for such a small thing, so is it worth it? Of course it's worth it. Stay safe out there. For more airline inspection or installation tips, or for more trucking equipment content in general, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.